my God. Oh, hey, at least we're really good buddies, right? Yep. Oh God. This is something you don't speak of, but we're still gonna film it. We've had lots of firsts tonight. Let's just say that. Yeah. You want me to get on here, or you good? Okay. This is, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? Hey, at least I'm light.
I'm light.
Oh God. Oh my God. What? No. Oh my God.
I sat on the back seat, not driving.
Yeah. This doesn't feel right.
No.
Oh yeah. Holy, this feels so wrong. Yeah. Hey, at least we're really good buddies, right? Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. You're good, you're good. I'm just holding on for dear life. Yeah. Sorry. It's a chill gear. Yeah. I mean, you have 1,000, it can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Take as much time as you need. One. Follow the corner. Yeah. It's all good. Yeah. That wasn't bad though. It was just more of the bump than anything. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. We're all good. Here, I'll open the garage, and if you want to put it inside or in front of the cars.